Hey guys, thanks for checking out my channel, Capital Exotics, and welcome back. Today we got another video. I've had this video actually secretly lined up for a while. It's just that I figured that it's time, I have to be revealed, and I have to get in front of the camera and do a real intro. So here I am. It's the first time I've ever been on camera, first time editing videos, first time filming cars, first time pretty much for everything. I appreciate all the support. Thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. This one is actually finally moving. People have been asking me about that. When's the car gonna be moving? Come on, man, put up a video of it moving. So here we go. I hope you guys like it. It's tailored to some music. If you wanna know more about it, please put a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. So check it out. Guys, there's the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making the video with my boy Rakasa. I'll put his description below for his YouTube channel. He's got some awesome travel videos and some pretty unique places in the world that he's gone to. If you really liked it and you want more content, comment below and I can make another video. So let me know what you think. Hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.